back to my channel, and if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe down below so you become part of my family. And thank you guys who have already subscribed. I am so thankful for all of you. And be sure to look out for subscriber of February coming up probably pretty soon. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into today's video. Somehow I missed place a file for the intro of this video. You didn't miss any of the steps or anything, but you did miss the intro, and so I'm just refilming it on my own. There is a special guest in today's video. If you watched my short that I posted, it's called Valentine's Day Filming with a great friend. I filmed it 6 days ago, and thank you guys all for watching that. That was super sweet of you. Anyway, let me know if you didn't understand any of the steps. Let me know down below at artdaddychannel@gmail.com, and I'd love to help you out. As well as today's little fun thing, if you guys let me know at artdaddychannel@gmail.com. Send in if you guys have a special Valentine's Day tradition or any fun art suggestions for B-Day that you'd like to have come out. So let me know. I love to feature them. I'd love to put in the text right here of what you said your fun tradition was, or a new video suggestion that I can maybe do, or not at all. It doesn't matter. Anyway, let me know. You might need a clothespin. You could use a clothespin to hang it up. Yeah. And so what's the first step? The first step is for us to lay down. We're gonna lay down some washi tape first, just to create kind of a barrier around the end of it. That way we know where to stop with the next part of it. And I'll import a picture of what Mama did. Yeah. Yeah. And so we're going to import a picture of what it will look like when you're done. That way you know what you're making first before you make it, just in case that's not your style or your preference.
And you need your scissors, or you won't need your scissors.
Yeah, it depends on what you want. Okay, so then the next step is going to be to take your buttons and your glue stick. You're gonna let's open up our buttons. Okay. And we're gonna start placing buttons, little and big buttons, just around it. Not under the tape, but just over it, like this, randomly. All over. You can make different sizes, small, medium, large, and then you're going to want to glue them down. So I'm going to fast forward us doing this part.
We're all done with this part.
Show them what it looks like right now. Can you hold that up to the screen so they can see? Oh, good job. Yeah. So that's what it's looking like right now, and we are ready to move on a little bit.
We're not done yet.
Yes, we need a green crayon. Green crayon! And we're now going to be drawing the stems of it. So we're ready to start. Oh my goodness, it's really low. Okay, there we go. So we're going to start by.
Where's me?
You'll be in a second, okay? Your face will be in it in a little bit, but we're going to show them what to do now, okay? So what we're going to do is, okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line from the button. Let me see if I can show you that. We're gonna draw a line from the button down to the hearts. Not under the hearts, but just down to the hearts. Does that make sense? So we're gonna do that to each one of them to create the stems, okay? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Do you wanna come? Let's start doing that. Draw a line all the way down, and then you're welcome to draw little leaves somewhere. Good job. Can you draw one here? Try using this side. Can you draw a line from that button to the paper? Good job. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay, now can you draw here? We'll do it together. You go down, 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 down. Good job, you did it. Now you drew a line to the paper. That part of them is done. And so we're just gonna let this dry for a little bit, and it's really extremely cute to do this for somebody. Oh, looks like we missed one. Two actually. One there, and one there. So some very nice, like, velvety, focus.
You can use my,
we have some pretty velvet, so we could string some velvet on the bottom of it like that. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, we finished. What are you Okay, so can you hold it up to the screen to show them? Show them what we finished. We finished it, guys. It looks so nice. It's so pretty. We just need to let the glue dry just a little bit more, but then we'll be all done and ready. Isn't it so pretty?
Take a picture of me.
You have the option to write "Let Love Grow" or something like that under there if that's something you're interested in. But I think for this one, we're just gonna leave it like this. That was a great team effort. High five. Okay, so we're gonna teach you how to make another really fun card that Anka actually came up with all by herself, right? Yes, she's nodding her head. So she thought of this great idea, and I'm gonna let her tell you just a little bit about it. What do they need for it?
Washing tape.
Yep, and we have this washi tape right here that we're gonna be using for it. It just has little, what does it have on it?
Hearts.
Yes, it does. And what else are you going to need? Cut out
Some hearts.
some hearts. We have plenty of these hearts that we've cut out already. We actually, to make it a little bit easier, Annika struggled a little bit with cutting out her own hearts. And so her mommy got her this fun little heart cutout. And so it cuts the hearts for you. You just stick it under paper, so that's really fun. So let's get started. Can you pick out a few hearts and show them just what you did? Pick out a few hearts and show them the steps to make that pretty heart card. Oh, can you do it on this paper right here? Now you stick a little bit of glue on there, right? And then now stick your heart on there. That should be enough. Yeah, did you stick a heart on there? Oh, good. And then she cut out a little bit of tape, if I'm remembering this right. And then she stuck the tape that she cut, she stuck a little piece, like maybe, was the piece about this big? And then did you just stick it in the pocket like this? And then she put down the tape like that. And then it made a little heart in a pocket. Do you want to keep adding a few of those? Can you add a few hearts?
Bye.
Thanks for doing art with us.
Thanks for doing art with us. We'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye.